In this video, I will guide you through resolving the common error Windows cannot open the folder. If you have encountered similar issue while trying to open a zip or a compressed folder, I will walk you through simple steps to troubleshoot and fix it so you can access your files without any hassle. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to click on the search tab of the Windows and then type settings. Now open the settings and open the system tabs, and under that you have to go to the about. So here look for your system type. As you can see, my system type is 64-bit. So 64-bit is like operating system. So now you have to go to the Google and type for the 7-zip and then look for download page. Under download page, you have to match your operating system. In my case, I'm using 64-bit. If you're using 32-bit, you can select 32-bit. So just download and install this software in your PC. Once you're done installing, now go back to your file, right click on it and look for more options, like show more options. You have to click on the show more option and then click on 7-zip and extract your file. If you have if your file is password protected, then you have to enter the password of the file and you will be able to extract the file. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do so, please do like and comment below. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Bye bye.